What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be giving you my thoughts on the Camille Rose Guava Slip Souffle underneath a gel. So remember when I first did the review on these products, I said I wanted to see how this worked under a gel. Well, I did it under a gel and these are my results, okay? If you want to see the application of these products, then that's on my membership. So you would need to go over there and join the membership if you want to see the application. But I did want to let you all know what I used and how I feel that it worked, okay? So what I did is I used the Guava Slip on this side as my leave-in. However, I did apply it out here. I did not apply it in the shower like I normally do. So yeah, that's on this side. And then on this side of my head, I use the Guava Slip Detangling Leave-In Conditioner because remember in the previous video, I also said that I wanted to use this as it is stated on the bottle, which is on damp or dry hair. So I actually applied this outside the shower as well on damp hair to see if I felt a difference between doing it on damp hair or soaking wet hair in the shower, okay? And then I topped both sides with the Tailored Beauty Perfect Coils Curling Jelly. This is the only gel that I could find that worked well with these products. Now, I didn't go through every last one of my gels, but I went through gels that I thought that you guys may have on hand, some that you could find on the ground, and some that were a little less expensive. So I tried mixing these products with Eco Style, curdled. I tried mixing the products with Wet Line, curdled. I tried mixing the products with Curly Bell. You have to order it, but Curly Bell, I think you have to order it. I ordered it a while ago, had that still on hand, curdled. I tried it with the ORS clumping gel, it curdled. I tried it with the Whole Blends gel that's out that people have been talking about. I actually picked it up. It curdled as well. So I tried it with a lot of gels and it curdled. And then I tried it with Tailored Beauty and it went seamlessly. So this is what I had on hand that it worked with. Now I do have some other gels that I can try it with later, but I'm not going to do that anytime soon. If you guys have tried these products under a gel, let us know in the comment section what gel you paired it with and how well it worked, or give us some ideas of some gels to try, okay? Now, let's go ahead and get into the review. So these are my results. These results are, this is first day hair, straight from under the dryer. All I did was use clips to stretch it a little bit, and this is how it looks. Now, I will say that, you know, my ends, my hair here hangs real long. I cut it not too long ago, and it looked a little bit better, but then I noticed that this side was still hanging a little bit longer, so I went on and took that off. So my hair is a little bit shorter right here. That's it, okay? So yeah, these are my results. What I feel about it, I feel like the Guava Slip right now feels moisturizing and feels just as good as the leave-in. I do feel like this side is a little bit frizzier in the roots, but this is a little bit thicker product, and this gel is not a hard holding gel, it's a softer gel. So with that being said, I do have some thickness in my roots, okay? If you're someone who likes soft, fluffy, big hair, then this may be a good combination for you, okay? If you are someone who likes harder hair, crunchy hair, then this may not. I did use less of this. I wanted to use this again, remember, because I felt like I had a coating the last time I used it, because I used a lot, or I guess too much, and I felt like I had a coating. I still feel a slight coating, but it's nothing like it was that time. So I do think that a little bit goes a long way, but I do think that there is something left behind with this. It does have glycerin high up on the list. That's another reason why I have big hair. And it's also filled with, you know, oils and butters, I believe. So that's probably where the coating is coming from for me, but that's probably also where the moisture is coming from, okay? So yeah, I like this. Let me just talk about the Guava Slip. I like it. I feel like it's moisturizing. I feel like it definitely gives you definition. The fact that I got all this definition on the ends, even though it was under a softer holding gel, I think says a lot. So I do like it. I would continue to use it for twist outs and things like that. I'm not sure that I would use it under gels unless I can find a harder holding gel that is going to give me, you know, multiple days out of it, at least the amount of days that I need. So I'll say that. But yes, I like it. It's got glycerin high up on the list. I think it's the second and third ingredient, but this gel also has glycerin high up on the list. So that's the downside of this particular combo, is that all these products have glycerin in them and they're kind of high up on the list. My hair does not feel glycerin-y. It doesn't feel sticky. It doesn't have that spongy glycerin type feel, but they are high up on the list, and I think that is why I have a little bit more of a bigness to my hair. But I also had to brush my hair with this styling, and I think that's why my roots are big as well, and I explained that in the video over on the membership. Okay. Now the leave-in, like I said, my feelings are the same on this. The application isn't that great. The moisture ends up being there. But if you are looking for if you're looking for the feel that you get with the coconut water, you're not going to get that with this. Or even with the Curl Love, it's different. This is a very, even though you have to kind of beat it to get it down, it's thick in that respect, but when you spread it out, it's very thin, and yeah, you don't feel that immediate moisture. At least I don't. So this is probably going to be my least favorite product out of the line. Everything else I like. I like the shampoo. I like the conditioner. I like the Guava Slip Souffle. Excuse me. And so yeah, this is probably going to be the least favorite, but I'm not saying that it doesn't work. I'm just saying initially application is not my favorite. I don't want to guess, am I going to get moisture? Is it going to give me what I need? So I know now that it does, because I've used it a few times and I did get the moisture. But I'm saying for those of you who are new to using this line, I'm going to let you know that if that's what you're looking for, you're not going to feel that with this. I'm not saying that it's not going to moisturize your hair. I'm saying you're not going to feel the moisture when you first put it on. You're going to feel like it doesn't work. You're going to feel like it's too thin for my hair, especially if you have thick strands, coarser strands, type, you know, 4C, 4B hair. If you have finer hair, and you don't like a lot of heaviness or a lot of emollient feeling when you're putting your leave-in anyway, then you might like it. Okay, but all in all, both sides look very similar, considering I used two different ingredients. This side with the leave-in does feel a tad bit lighter because it's a lighter product than this side. This side feels just a tad bit heavier, and this side feels just a tad bit more coated, just a tad, not a lot. But other than that, today, I like my hair today. I don't know how long it's gonna last. That's the thing. So the jury is out on how long it lasts, but for day one hair, I think it looks good. It looks nice enough. I would go out with my hair, you know, like this for day one, and hopefully it'll get me through the amount of days that I need. But I definitely will either leave a blurb here, or I will try to pin a comment in the comment section as to how long it lasted. But I did not want you guys to miss out on me trying it, like it said, shaking it up, trying it on damp hair and everything, because I said that I will come back, and I also said that I might try this under a gel. So I wanted to make sure that I brought both of those things to you, so I just put them together in this video. All right guys, hopefully this was helpful. Do I recommend the products? Yes, I recommend the products, but make sure that you listen through this whole thing, because don't, you know, get in my comments, I didn't like. I'm telling you, this is lighter than what her other leave-ins normally feel like, and a little bit of this goes a long way. Don't overdo it on this. You don't need to, because it works. without overdoing it. Okay, and then the shampoo and conditioner, they speak for themselves. The shampoo lathers well, feels good, and the conditioner, you know, softens the hair, and you're able to detangle with it and all the things. So yeah. Oh, I will say that the last time I didn't detangle with this time I used it. I did put this in and detangle some, and I do feel like I was able to get through the few tangles that I had. Now I didn't use this as my main detangling, because I pre-pooed and detangled out here, and then I went in with these products. So I didn't have as many tangles as I normally would have, but I did have to detangle because what I use for my deep conditioner kind of tangled my hair back up. So I will say that this did help me to detangle, get those few tangles out. And yeah, just wanted to say that. Yeah, I didn't feel like, here's the thing, I forgot that I was supposed to do that, but I did do it, if that makes sense. I forgot that I was supposed to come back and really try to detangle. I was mainly just thinking about using it on damp hair. So I didn't pay a whole lot of attention to how it detangled versus something else. And I wish I had, but I do remember that I was able to get through them. I wasn't thinking, man, you know, this doesn't work or anything like that. So if you had further questions on detangling, is it better than this or is it better than that? I'm not going to really answer those or be able to, because I didn't pay that much attention, because I wouldn't use my leave-in to detangle with anyway. So I won't be using this in the future to detangle with. I'm going to use a regular rinse out conditioner to detangle with, or I'm going to use, you know, a pre-poo or something like that. I'm not going to use this. So there you go. All right, guys, that's the end of this review. I hope it was helpful. If it was, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. If you have any other questions I didn't answer, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. If you've used these products and you have something that you want to share with the community, make sure you jot that in the comment section below so we all can learn from you. And guys, that's it. If you have not already subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.